Oh my God, Sal is going to be drinking half a liter of Diet Pepsi. Here he goes. Oh my God. Tell us to take a break for a second. Now. And he says he has to because he has to. It's Christmas tree in the background. Oh my God. Here we go. Here goes Sal. That's the television right there. What's happening? Oh my God, Sal's drinking another half a Sal's got pause again. What's the matter? Oh, swole burp. Come on, keep going. Don't give up now. Go ahead. We need.
I don't want to guess it.
Don't get sick. If you're gonna throw up, throw up. Don't drink all of it. Just drink half of it. Sal's got to like burp big, and you know. Oh, he's got a. Oh, he's burping as he's drinking. Oh, nice. Go ahead. Do the ABCs. Like drink a lot and do the ABCs. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, my stomach's good.
Your stomach is hurting. Doesn't put it down. Sal's still drinking. Oh my God, here he goes. Oh. Takes a deep breath, now goes back for it. Here he goes again, now full force. Oh, now he's gonna pause. He's gotta stop. Oh, he reversed again. Up and again. Oh, and really. A little faster now. Here goes now. That's how we stop.
Oh, I can't.
He can't now. He's got to stop. He's like, he's ready to blow up. Here he goes. Takes a deep breath. Now,
my stomach hurts me.
And he has to because his stomach hurts.
I serious.
He's serious.
Stop complaining with me.
Go ahead. Just stop flying the planes. Here he goes now. Drinking fiercely. Halfway there now. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, here he goes. He has to stop. A little bit of spill on him. Stop my top shirt. Yellow. With little colors on the side. Red. Purple. Green.
Can we pause?
Can I pause?
Yeah.
Pause. Go ahead. I paused it.
Because my stomach hurts me.
Okay.
When my stomach feels bad.
Okay. Oh God. Sal's gonna go for more now. Here he goes. He feels confident and patient. Now he goes for another one. Oh my God, here he goes. Full force. Here goes Sal again. Bird's eye view now, Sal. Drinking Pepsi. Diet Pepsi. He's going all the way, I think. Oh my God, this is going to be a big one. Oh boy. ABCs, here we go. Oh my God, he's not stopping. What's he? This is dangerous. Oh boy, here we go. Just heard Jay-Z in the background there, Empire State, just passing us. Somebody in the car was playing. Here goes Sal again now. Oh my god. Here he goes. Oh my god. Oh man, it's bubbling now. Here he goes. Oh, almost threw up.
That's it.
Okay. Thanks for watching this Burping Quest from Sal. Have a great night.